Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Premiere Pro. Today we'll be talking about the new features that are added of the Adobe Premiere Pro beta. If you want to get the new update, simply go to your Creative Cloud and here select the beta apps and then install the Premiere Pro. So right here, if you see in the About Premiere Pro, the version is 24.3.0. So this new update brings a massive audio updates that brings visual face handles. There are some interactive clip patches, AI-powered speech, and a new fresh look inside the Premiere Pro. As you can see, the timeline colors look different. And if you zoom in a little bit on the audio section, as you can see, there's an auto tagging for the audio. This one is dialogue. If I click on it, this will open up the essential sound panel right here. Also with the dialogue, if you select your audio, you can enhance your speech. This will make your recordings look like they were recorded in a professional studio. If you have any background noise or any artifacts in your audio, this will remove it. Let's take a look at these updates one by one and see how they will help you in your editing. Let's start with the interactive fade handles. What these fade handles do, if you zoom in a little bit, let me increase its size right here. If you see right here at the end, there's a little pop. If you click and drag on it, this will create a fade out effect. If I play the video, you see
in this grand universe of ours,
the audio is now fading at the end. You can do the same with this one. You can also move it up down to change the waveform.
I wondered if there were other,
just like that. If there's a cut in between them, just like this one. Originally, you apply the constant power transition just right here to the audio. Now you can change its waveform as well.
glancing back at our little blue dot,
you see the audio is now fading out and then it comes back to original form. Now let's move on to the second part. I'm going to select the music for the background and add it to my timeline. Let me just mute this one and play the music. At this moment, you can realize the music is too loud for the background. So we are not going to press the G and set the gain to whatever we want, like -25 or something. We're not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to select the audio and here at the right side, you can see there's an icon for the music. I'm going to click on it. This will open up the essential sound panel for me. And now here under the presets, I'm going to select the smooth vocal decay. So what this will do, this will adjust the audio of your music automatically for your background and select the optimal sound level for your audio. And there's another new feature. If you select your audio and then click on duration, as my video is ending right here, so I don't want this part of the audio to be added in the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select audio and here click on duration and then stretch and select its duration to the exact time as my video is ending. So that is 103. This feature can stretch out or stretch in to your desired time for your music. To render that, just click on spacebar. This will render the audio files. And there you go. Your background music won't be slowed down or speed up in this process. So that's a very useful tool in this regard. Now to sum up this video, let's add some subtitles to it. Go to the text, unmute your profile, select your track, create a transcription, and then click on create captions. Here, select the subtitle default. Drop down the menu for the caption preferences. If you have any style, just select this one, or you can create your own. I'll select the lines to the single and then create captions. Once you're done with this, just select your caption, go to the essential graphics. If you can't find both of these panels, go to the windows. Here, check the essential graphics or the essential sounds. Click on edit. Increase or decrease size. Scroll down, uncheck the shadow. Let's create a background. Choose color to black. Add a transparency to about 65%. Increase the block size. Make its edges smoother. And now select this. Scroll up. And then click on this icon to apply this format to all of your captions. Let it render the audio files.
The stars twinkled gently in the dark blanket of the night sky. Their soft light had traveled across the vast emptiness of space to reach Earth, some from unfathomable distance.
Let's move to this part where we added the fade-in effect.
Possibility of life existing elsewhere in this grand universe of ours.
Great, isn't
I
it?
wondered if there were other eyes on a distant planet glancing back at our little blue dot and marveling as well.
And there you have it. some of the new features that are added by the Premiere Pro beta, so you don't have to go to the Adobe Audition every time to make some minor changes just like this one. Or if you want to know how you can get this update, make sure to click on this video. And still, if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.